Hi, my name is Patrick Desjardins. In this episode, you will learn about the primitive type BigInt, a new type in JavaScript and supported by TypeScript since version 3.2. For information, the feature reaches Chrome's browser in May 2018 and is available in Node.js 11 and more, which means that it's safe to use at the time of this release of this video. A number in JavaScript can be as big as 2 power 53 minus 1, and after that threshold, BigInt enters. You can initialize a number with the type BigInt using your numbers following by n, or using BigInt as a function. A quick reminder, the function does not use the new keyword before the BigInt type. That being said, BigInt primitive is only using a capital letter and does not have a lowercase as most other primitive like a number, string, or boolean. When initializing a BigInt, you can set the value within the range of a type number. For example, we can define a number with the maximum value and print out the value and the following one. The output is the same number when using a number because we have reached the maximum value. However, using the BigInt, writing down the max number value and incrementing by 1 gives an output that is different because we are not reaching the maximum. Similar to a number, a BigInt can be from many bases with 0x, 0b, or 0o for hexadecimal, binary, and octal. To use a different base, we prefix the number in a string format and using the BigInt function. For example, x equals BigInt with 0x1ff, initialize the variable x with the hexadecimal number, which gives the result of 8191n in decimal. The advantage of BigInt is the capability of holding a bigger number than the primitive number. On the other side, the disadvantage is BigInt is not swappable with numbers. The lack of replacement means it is impossible to use a BigInt with the math library that accept only numbers, or even not usable with any of your functions that specify a variable with a type number. Similarly, a function that takes a BigInt does not accept a number. Hence, using BigInt is not a substitute for numbers and should be sparsely used. For example, declaring a variable x and initializing the variable to 1 and then declaring y and initializing it to 1n gives us the opportunity to see that x cannot get 1n and y cannot be set to 1. So here we are again. We are at a fork where you need to make a decision. Would you like to learn about converting a number to string or to learn about the any type? Regardless of your choice, it is the good one because it is your choice. See you soon.